Have you ever wanted to live in a quiet, tree-lined street neighborhood, minutes from work, seconds away from the escape of the mountains? Well, I've got the answer for you. It's Rose Park. We're downtown adjacent, and listen. Can you believe that we are only 2 minutes from downtown? Me neither. Come on, let's take a look. Part of not having a commute is you get to spend more time at home in a space like this. Have your friends over, have a game night, have some cocktails, maybe have dinner, watch the Great British Baking Show, or, post up with a book. But let's go take a look at where you sleep. In such a quiet, community-driven neighborhood, you've got a great, quiet place to recharge in your bedroom. It's your refuge from the world. It's where you want to be. It's where you want to wake up every morning. You've got all this beautiful natural light. And going back, you have a second bedroom here. You've got your main floor bathroom here. And we're heading into the kitchen. I am seeing through these windows this amazing backyard, and we got to go look at that right now. We'll come back to the kitchen in a second, but we got to see this yard now. This is a private, fenced oasis for you and your friends. You can, check this out.
Won't you give me sweetness and light for my restless mind?
You have plenty of space to have over as many people as you want, to have a good time. If you're anything like me, I find peace in gardening. You've got an amazing garden. You can turn this into something very special for you. You've got this open green yard, and you can do anything that you want to do here. Here in the kitchen, we have brand new smart home appliances. You have plenty of cabinetry, plenty of space, great for the cook and the baker. All right, let's go take a look downstairs. All right, here in Salt Lake, it can be unusual to have a usable basement. But it goes without saying that the previous owner of this home was a designer, and she meticulously designed this basement with an eye towards a European artisan finish. And that means you get well thought out spaces, starting with this laundry room and craft room, heading into this bathroom with a full walk-in shower that's just beautiful. In addition, there are 2 spacious bedrooms with lots of natural light. I hope you enjoyed seeing this house. If you have any questions, go ahead and leave them in the comments, and don't forget to subscribe so you don't miss any videos. See you next time.